Hey, so as promised, this is the video I told Rich that I'd make for your website to kind of go through it and give some information and a little bit of details and stuff I found. So right off the bat, I just want to say the actual website looks good. It's a good layout. It being an e-commerce site, there's not a whole lot you can do on your home pages and stuff like that. That's kind of what I wanted to get into. We rank a e-commerce website a little bit different than what we normally do for like local businesses and things like that. So let's get right into it. So I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs. It's a tool that allows me to kind of dissect your website and see different things that's going on inside of it and stuff like that. First of all, your URL rating is right here. It's considered like your strength. So I mean, you got decent strength, but one of the things we wanted to touch base on is your domain rating. And all your domain rating is your trust flow or your popularity. It being a 0, the search engines are not really seeing you as a trustworthy website, and I'll get into that here right now. So on an e-commerce website, we focus on like backlinks and stuff like that to rank um, more than content and stuff like that. Content still plays a role, but as far as an e-commerce website, you want some strength in your website, and a backlink is how we sort of achieve that. A backlink is just a different web page pointing back to your web page. So your web page is on your web page link is on their website and it's directing back to yours. They're not all created equal. Some are good, some are bad, and I kind of wanted to touch base on that a little bit. So down here you can see your backlinks 56. You have some that are do follow, which are websites that are actually giving some power to your link, but what's hurting you the most is your no follow. So this just means your web page's link is on that web page, but that web page isn't giving you any power. So in turn, it's kind of looking spammy, and in turn affecting your trust over here. So next I wanted to get into keywords. This is the content side of your webpage. We'll go back up to the top. So let's go back to the first page. So on this page, a couple of things to take note is keywords and volume. So keyword is anything like a word or phrase that's being recognized. Volume is just how many times that keyword or phrase is actually being searched. So going based off of your website, we want to pay attention to like the hoodies and liftwear and stuff like that. So you got some good keywords on there, but I think for what you're shooting for on your store, we need to be ranking for some different keywords, and I'll kind of show you why. So on this, I just took one of these keywords, typed it into Google up here. First of all, we're going to see sponsored, and if you're not sure what a sponsored ad is, it's just an ad that you pay, and Google will put it up here for you. First and foremost, that's what you see. Second, you'll see like your map pack section, but yours being an e-commerce website, it's not really relevant at this point. So we'll get into your first biggest competitor that I see, Gymshark.com. We go over there to the website, and they fit right in line with what you're trying to achieve, I believe. You can tell me if I'm wrong or not, but they're going for the fitness industry, kind of like you are. So I went ahead and I plugged their website into my tool, Ahrefs, As you can see, they got good strength, but what's helping them the most is they got tons of trust right here. And as you can see, they got 42,000 links. You know, that's their name in that many different spots. They're adding them daily. That's why they continue to stay on the first page as far as fitness sweatshirts and stuff like that go. So next, I'll touch base on the keywords. So as you can see up here, you can just see as far as stuff like gym, it's being searched for 136 times, and they have it in multiple spots on their website, which is helping each. So actually, they actually have two different web pages ranking on the first page, and by using this word in different pages is how they're achieving that. So as you can see, I mean, they got men's workout pants on their website a few times, 2,300 searches a month. This is exactly how they're ranking so well between those backlinks and these keywords that they found. So as far as your website goes, I know Rich was saying that you got a bunch of your sales and stuff like that from Instagram influencers and stuff like that. I know Instagram's constantly changing and it's probably getting harder and harder. Because of that, I believe trying to get your website to rank organically is probably the better option to go with. Obviously, you saw with Gymshark how much traffic they're seeing and stuff like that, and that much traffic just in turn means more profit and stuff. The way you can start incorporating some of that keyword into your content is through your product descriptions. So on an e-commerce site, I'm sure you know already, but you have your product. We'll go with this one real quick. So you have your product description. So inside this product description, you can start incorporating some of those keywords and kind of make this web page keyword not heavy, but throw some of those keywords that you're trying to rank for here. Another way to do it is through some of these pictures, and inside each picture you can give it a name and those meta descriptions inside that. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up the video. I hope you found some of this information useful. If you have any questions, go ahead and get a hold of Rich and get back to me, and I'll try to answer what I can. All right, man. Have a good weekend. It's Friday.